Hello souls, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Eileen, and if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Let's have fun, learn and grow together. So today I've decided I'm going to clean my fridge with you guys. So guys, this is the water. So you have to put in baking powder. Guys, you're going to use baking powder, but there are people who use apple vinegar. So I've never used apple vinegar, so I don't know if it works. But for me, I will use this baking powder. The baking powder helps to get rid of the bad odor. So I'll just put a bit of it in the water. I don't have a measuring cup, so to me a macho. Yes. So I think that's enough. After putting the baking powder, we'll just mix it. If you use vinegar to clean your fridge, let me know in the comments below, and also let me know if it has worked for you. After mixing it, you can look for a clean towel. Yes, and then just dip it in, and then guys, you're ready. Let's carry it. Let's go to our fridge. Let's start cleaning. So guys, I'll start with this side. It's all that dirty, but let's go. Start with here. Guys, I know there's some people who remove these trays and wash them in the sink, but I don't think I'm going to remove them. Amma, what do you think, guys? Should I remove them and wash them in the sink or no? Okay, let me see how it comes out. Let's try it first. Yeah, it's working. There's no need of removing them because haikuwa chafu sana. But next time, I think I'll remove it. Yes, I think it's working out perfectly. So we'll just continue this method. Guys, I think I'll also clean these trays, but I'll remove them one by one and then I'll clean them. They're not that dirty. See, the water has now melted and it's literally pouring down. So let's get rid of the water. My hands are freezing. Woo. Ice cubes. Guys, mkono zangu zimekuwa numb. I think I need to get something so that I can just push this ice to eat because my hands are freezing right now. Guys, check. Woo! Let me get something. And my fridge is clean, as you can see, it's clean. Right here I always put my eggs on these trays, but I don't have eggs right now, so the trays are empty. On the second shelf I always put things like yogurt. So there's this yogurt. I always check on the expiry date just to make sure that it's still okay. So yogurt right there. Then another yogurt right there. Then I have this is a coconut milk. Yes, let's see where is the expiry date. So this I'll put it there, and then you go to this. I have a mayonnaise here. What's the yellow thing? I think it's the oil. It expired, guys. Yeah, I don't think it has had. It expires on 22nd date 2020. Yeah, it's still okay, guys, but it's almost done. Science, I need to buy another one. Okay, I'll put it there. And guys, I have this. I know most of you are wondering what's this. This is the baking powder. I always put some here just to get rid of the bad odor. Yeah, it works, guys. You should try. Let me know what you do, what you put in your fridge to get rid of the bad odor. So I put it right there. When I come here, I always put my dairy. Let me say dairy, yes. So I have this. It's a cereal drink called Yola. Yola, if you're seeing this, sponsor girl here. Yes, there's this Yola. It's a cereal milk drink. This is vanilla flavor. There's so many flavors, so you can choose the flavor that you love. So I like this flavor and the strawberry one. I use this for breakfast. It's heavy. Yani ni kama nini, kama uji, inashikilia tumbo kabisa. So I love it so much. You should try it out. And then guys, I have this. It's a maziwa maziwa lala. Yes, and make sure I have that. Because you know, if you are a bachelor or bachelorette, I know you know what I mean. These things come in handy. When you get from work and you're tired, don't want to cook, you just cook ugali and then you eat with it. It's sweet, ni tamu. If you do these at times, let me know. So I have two. One is bitter and the other one is sweet. And then guys, you have this kwa watoto wenye wako hapa. This is just soda in a can. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think I'm done with this part. Yes, that's it for that part. Let me just arrange it vizuri. Let me give it space. Yes. So guys, we're here, and for this shelf I always put juice. Guys, you gotta have juice in your wageni. When you come to my house, ask for this. And then we also have this. It's a Ribena. There are two types of Ribena. There's this which has blackcurrant and strawberry, and then there's the other one which only has blackcurrant. I know it's the original one. It has a purple package, yes, but I love both. You know, lazima tupate vitamin C. Kama si kwa fruits, tunapata kwa Ribena. So I'll put it there. And then I think this is the last one. We have Keringet. Yes. Our brand. Jina kubwa. Yes. So for this, we'll put it here. Yes. And I think we're done with that part. Go to this other part. I don't have much right here because this is where I store my vegetables, where you can put the sukuma, the cabbage, the blue, gosh, where's my mind, the green, the yellow pepper, and you can also put tomatoes, sukuma wiki, cabbage, and all that. So this is where I put my vegetables. Guys, let me know how you store your vegetables here, because once I had put a vegetable here. It was sukuma wiki. I had put sukuma wiki here, and it lasted for about 1 week, but it wasn't good after. Let me know how you store your veggies for it to stay that long, because for me it tried and it got spoiled even before the week ended. So for here, I'll be putting my tomatoes. Okay, let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Unangoja ingine. I think we are done. And that's it. I don't have any veggies right now, so that's what I have for down there. Also guys, let me know in your fridge, what do you store down here? Guys, I have a tip. If you want to save on money, always be buying things in bulk, like the tomatoes, the veggies, and all that. Trust me, you're going to save a lot, even if it's just some few coins, which really helps out. For here, I don't have anything to store there. For here, I don't have anything yet. For here, I don't have anything. Here, I always store things like bread, milk, and all that. So I have these two. I always change brands, but I prefer these more. It hasn't affected me. Let me know which type of milk you prefer. And also have another one which I had already opened, so I always put it here. so that it won't go bad, because for the long life milk, once opened and you leave it outside, it always gets bad almost the same day. There are things that I put on the bottom and there are things that I put up here, so it depends, and at times I always remove this when I have a lot of things to store. But for now, let me show what I have right now. I have this cheese. It's called mozzarella, yes. I like cheese so much. Yes, so this one I always put it right there. And then guys, I also have these sausages, spicy beef sausages. Yes, I always also put them right there. And then I also, okay, I think I should have started with these ice cubes, so I put them right down there. And also I also have this ice cream. Which flavor? Let me know in the comments below which flavor of ice cream, which one do you like most? For me, I like anything salt and caramel, but I didn't get the salt and caramel, so I had to buy this one, which is also nice. You should try it out. This is cheddar. The other one was mozzarella, but guys, I see there are molds here. So bad. Why did it form? It had frozen. Oh yeah, I know. You know, sometimes huku Islando stima zopotea, and then unapata ina melt, so I guess that's why it forms these. So I think I'll have to chip this part, yeah, and then I leave the other part, because siwezi tupa yote, it's very expensive. Yeah, so let me just put it here, and then I'll get back and remove they have the part which has spoiled. So guys, so that's how my freezer looks. Have reached this far, thank you so much. I love you so much. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.